So here's how to hide your Instagram account from other people. So first you want to click on your profile logo at the bottom, and then you want to click on the three vertical lines on the top. And then in the settings and activity, you should scroll to account privacy. So you want to click on account privacy, and then you can turn this option on for a private account, switch to private. And now your account should be private, so nobody can see your posts unless they follow you and you accept their follow. So they can't just follow you like that immediately. You have to accept it first. And that should let only your followers to be able to see your posts and stuff like that. Now, if you want to prevent a specific account from seeing your posts or maybe seeing your stories, so you can go to that specific account profile, click on the three vertical dots on the top, and now click on block to block this account completely so they won't be able to message you, find you, or any of that stuff. And the last option is to temporarily disable your Instagram account so that nobody can find you, but you can recover it anytime that you want to reactivate your account. So to do that, you will need to go to the settings and activity and then scroll down and click on accounts center. And then you want to click on personal details. And then you want to click on account ownership and control, and it should take you to this window. Now click on deactivation or deletion, and then select your Instagram account. And now select deactivate your account, which means deactivating account temporarily. And profile should be hidden from Instagram until you reactivate your account. So you can click on continue with that option selected. And then you want to enter your password again to confirm this action. And then press continue and press deactivate. So I'm going to enter my password and continue. And you should select a reason if you want to. Or maybe you can click on something else and click continue. And then click on deactivate account, and that should deactivate your account and make it invisible to other people, anyone basically, unless you reactivate it again. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.